Man, literally trying to get out, yeah. Literally my backpack, got a fucking carrier bag on the board and that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But and it's fucking soaking. It's literally pissing down now. Like, it's just fucking pissing it down, yeah. And I've come all the way out, yeah. And the only thing I can find near me that's under some shelter that I can get to right now, there's some fuckers in there. I was gonna go in there, but it seems somebody's beat me to it. Do some fucking sit-ups, man. Go do it in your fucking living room, innit? You know what I mean? I can't just skateboard in my living room. Fucking hell. Bollocks, man. So I don't know what the fuck to do, man. I can't skate in this, so I'm trying, boys and girls. If I find somewhere to go, I'll fucking do a video, but I ended up just posting this and being like, what the fuck do I do? You know what I mean? I've been walking 45 minutes and you never guess where we're going. The car park. Way, the multi-story. Fuck's sake. Man, I swear to God, I'm done with that fucking place. Some Jeepers Creepers style shit, you know. A camper van, man. Tell me a fucking murderer or a fucking meth lab isn't in there, man. Come on, that's fucking crazy. Man, you other countries don't know how good you got it, man, when it comes to skating, man. The skate parks you lot have. Like, the UK is fucking bad, man. Like, I need to get out of this fucking country. Was it fucking America? You got a skate park on every fucking corner. Like, rain, man, there's just nowhere to go. My closest indoor wooden one, yeah, is about 2 hours away from me. Like, trains, buses, fucking nightmare, man. There's one good one near me and it's shut down. Like it's terrible, man. It's rough, man. I picked the right time of year for this, didn't I, man? But I'm out, man. I'm trying. It's fucking raining, soaking. Hey, the car park. Man, I'm sick of the sight of the place as much as you boys, but I'm gonna try some rolling ollies, some 180. I'm just gonna skate, you know what I mean? But I'm 7 days, man. So I'm just gonna skate, like rock about. Might be boring, might fall off. I don't know, man, but I'm out in it. Man, my usual spot's all washed out, man. Look at the fucking state of this. Yo, is this just gonna be a walking tour today of fucking spots that I can't fucking skate? It's just fucking wet everywhere, man. Like, what the fuck do I do? I just want to skate, man. Like, everyone else have this fucking problem, or just me? Am I being picky? But I don't want to skate in the wet either, you know what I mean? Like, look at this little spot. Come on here. But look at the fucking this. Wait, let me zoom out. I thought, oh, what's going on in here? It's fucking soaking. Fuck off, Charlie. Look at that. Drenched. Could have gone in this little cage, innit? Could set up camp and go to sleep. And lock myself in, you know what I mean? It's like I'm moving in here, boys. Come up to level 2. There's no fucking better. Look at the board will go flying off the edge over there. Cars fucking everywhere. Man, I don't know where to go, man. Well, I've been up. Been up there, fucking. So we're going back down, innit? You know what? We're just gonna have to look for a spot. Bit that ain't fucking soaking, innit? Oh, fucking hell, I just want to skate, man. Are you fucking mad? Like, that's all I want to do. All I want to fucking do. So, you know what? There's all this green bit here. I might just have to set up here and fuck the cars, innit, man? You know what I mean? Stop skating here, boy. No room for you. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna have a look over this side as well. Right, this back corner, but over there. He's in his car, keeps staring at me. The grey one there. Don't know why. He's probably bored waiting for his missus shopping or something. Who knows? Who fucking knows? Getting used to it though, innit? For when I get my fucking GoPro thing and start doing the filming around the UK, can't wait. But yeah, fucking... It's ain't looking good, boys. Well, look at this. What am I supposed to do with this? Look, this is the busy part where all the cars fucking come. I found the spot, you know. We've got a bit of water there, but if I set up near that water, like facing here, I could get some rolling up kick flips from the other side. That's probably it. Rolling kick flips. Attempt some rolling kick flips. Sorry for the fucking boring ass video, boys and girls, but it'll get better. It'll get fucking better. It'll get better. See, because I've come out, yeah, with, this is my bike board, man. I got the old 110s on, but I got the skate shoes in the bag because obviously I didn't want to get wet. Because, mate, last time I was skating in the rain, it was a fucking nightmare. Like, I ain't doing that again, man. I tried, it was shit. Finding a spot's fucking shitter though. Literally just soaked the bottom of my fucking shoes. And my board's getting wet. Fuck's sake, man. I think here will be the one. I'm gonna get a new board at some point, man. The tail's already wet. Look at that already. Look at that already. Come on, man. No, I haven't been on the board in 7 days. 7 days, man. Feels alright. Being on the board, man. Skate about a bit, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? There we go, he's fucking moving. Mate. I've skated for a bit. Straight into an ollie, you know what I mean? We're fucking about that. To be fair, I should do some rolling ollies, man. So I want to get better at that. It's a snack. Mate. Right, let's see if I can get it to follow me. Some footage we can get like that. Oh, there we go. We'll get some follow footage. Just in case I land anything or fall over there or something, we'll get it. Somebody said, what is it? Yeah, that's the first time I've done one of them. Oh, I need to practice them, don't I? What was that? One of them times where I used to run and jump onto the board. Mate, let's get straight. Mate, watch this. Watch this. That felt nice. That felt nice. I tried on that a bit far back, no, a bit far forward. First kick flip. because the camera's following, I think if I'm going to do, I'll try kickflip. Needs to be over here a bit, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, I haven't tried one since the first time I landed one. So to keep my foot more in the tail pocket. "7 days, man. I've been skating. Fucking pathetic, innit? No, my feet are slipping already. It's no excuse, but look, board's getting a bit wet again. For fuck's sake. You know what I mean? This is what it is. A bit busy down here. I haven't tried my front side 180 either. Trying to get my ollies better as well. I mean, I want to get my ollies better. So that felt nice. So if anything, better ollies, better kick flips in it. So I hope that's getting me because it's following. Watch this, run into a... Hey, that felt nice. No, if anything, getting some rolling ollies. Do you know what? I need to go back a step, I do, man. Like, no, this is crazy. This is the most comfortable my ollies have felt, you know. I don't even know why. I feel like I should stick at that for the moment. Front side 180. Right. I should get one of them pretty soon, I suppose. Fuck, I committed then. I'm trying to get with more pop. Fuck, it's ring. What I mean? No, when I first got the board, yeah. I don't know, man. Maybe because it's got wet and that a few times. I just don't feel like it pops as much, you know. I always used to think, what? It's got an angle, man. Of course it's going to pop. Well, I've felt it since it's got wetter and stuff. Definitely doesn't feel to have the same snap it used to feel like it had. Razor tailed it to fuck as well, just don't know. Which never helps. But yeah, some board recommendations would be nice. I've been looking at, yeah, the flight decks. Expensive, but they keep the pop in it. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, something that keeps the pop more. I know you got the Santa Cruz VX. Is it VX? Look, is that razor tailed or what? 'Cause I don't even know. Would that be considered razor? I don't think it's that bad, you know, I don't. Problem is, it feels a bit damp. Like in there. It is what it is, man. Just have to skate it in it until I get a new one. Oh, but yeah, the flight decks look sound, man. I think let's try and get front side 180. Because just at this point I should be landing them, shouldn't I? Look, I'm landing a trick once and then the front side I landed a few. Fucking rock. Mate, feet are just wet, man. Look at that. Fuck off, man. You know, I needed a video though, boys. You know what I mean? It's what do I make do with this in the UK? This is UK for you. Get stuck slipping off your board because you've the weather's shit. See, I want a higher 180, you know what I mean? I want to pop more. Yeah, see, I want to pop higher with this front side 180 because my first ones were a bit low, man. I want to get some height in it, man. I don't even know if I went high or fuck, I sneeze. Leaning back as well, so even if I land on it, I'm gonna go flying. Fuck's sake, man. 7 days off the board, man. I feel like I've gone back to day one. Gone back to day one, song. Know what I mean? What's this highest ollie I've ever done? Maybe not. Mate, what's going on today? You know what? Everyone has them days, man. Everyone has them days. Well, I was at the start of the sound. Knees, man, I need a drink. Some beverage. Getting hot, man. Listen, it's getting hot. Oh, it's... Hear that? Fucking hell. That's gonna stop. Yo, we went off into all the sludge. Fuck. My feet are gonna be wet. Draw on some leaves in it. Nah, this is a rough day for it, you know. wanted to get out, man. Everything's against me, the rain. Conditions in here, shit. Board's wet on the grip, feet are wet. Just want to land something, man. Other than an ollie. I think I need to work on that front side, don't I? Really, if you think about it. To be fair. That's what I mean, just comfortable ollies like that I need to work on. That's sound. I should lock in my ollies, you know. I need to get them effortless. You know what I mean? Just like cruising, like. Oh, there's a thing there. It's over it, like. See, I'm trying too hard, isn't it? Oh, there's a thing there. It's over it, like. See, I'm trying too hard, isn't it? I'm trying way too hard with these ollies. That just felt high there. Come on, 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Effortless, just chilling. Wasn't pretty, but it felt good. You know what I mean? Let's get another one. Another ollie. Because in all fairness, I need to lock in ollies, don't I? You know, this is going to be a day of ollies. Because at the end of the day, yeah, I've done what? Front side 180, I just banged my head against the wall to get it. The kick flip, I landed it. Well, I've gone back on myself again. But even my rolling ollie was never consistent. And I feel like just keep trying to land one trick all the time. To be fair, I've done what I've done. I wanted to do a kick flip. And I wanted to do the front side 180. I've done it, but now I think I should work on just locking in, cruising around and ollieing things. Like ollieing, do you know what, I've never ollied. Over something like my bag. This is the banger. Right. We get ollies and I ollie the bag. That's sound that, you know. Just so you know, like it's a decent, it's a height bag. Like if I put that just in front, keep the, you know, even put the little clips in. Ah, pinch my fucking hand. More danger if I hang up, innit? Like, for the size of it, it's taller than a board. And it's a lot wider, look. So. I reckon I'll do that, you know. I think I should turn the follow off though, because I don't want it to get too close. You know what? Should I send it, get it first try? Send it, get it first try. You know what? Let me ollie next to it and check the footage. Actually, no, I'm just going to send it. Fuck it. I hate ollieing things too. Actually, no, I'm going to ollie next to it first. So I'm going to need the speed as well. See, I would have died, man. Well, let's keep checking the speed. What about if I do the old? See, I might have got it, you know. You know what, fuck it, I think we send that, you know. So we do it here though, because the camera's there. Well, let's do this. quick enough either. Fuck. Go. You got that, you know, though. Right, my phone's in the water. I've moved the angle. But hopefully. I've just got to get something, man, because the problem is, if I don't get this, it's just me rolling around, innit? And it's not too bad, because there's only so much I can do, you know what I mean? But, what if this car to go? And my feet are just getting wetter and wetter. It's going to get to the point where I can't do anything. Pressure's on. Right, let's get used to this. What's this called again? I can't remember. But you go like that. You know what though? You get so much more speed. Why did I never do that before, man? You get so much more speed on shorter run-ups. You gotta sort your feet out a bit more. Oh, I like you people. You know what I mean? I put my bottle of pop in the bag, pointing up to keep it more higher as well. Watch this. You know what, I'm going to unclip them though, because look at that. Oh no, it's fallen. It's fallen. What the fuck's the zips? Yeah. Right. God, look how high that is now. This is what you call a fucking, what you call an ollie. This is the biggest thing I've ollied, by the way. So, with that run and jump on, I think I got it. The board went over. I didn't feel like my feet were in position when I went for it. Fuck. Alright, just gotta pop and just float with it. I had to go to the side of it so I wasn't going quick enough. Oh, this is a high bag, you know. That's a high ollie in my opinion. Oh, come on. Oh, fuck. Mate, we're flying. Oh, we've got this. You know what's annoying? That's probably my biggest spill as well. Not on camera. Bit of graze on the arm. Honestly, when I did the splits, man. Fuck's sake. Right. My elbow's good, wrist's good. Let's go. Mate, honestly, it's so slippy. think before the video, yeah, next one, I'm gonna have to buy a new deck, new grip tape, and just not come out in the wet, man. It's gonna be annoying, man, because that's all I want to do. But it's just impossible to skate in the wet, isn't it? Right, let's get one next to the bag. Nah, I'm just gonna send it, you know, fuck it. Right. There's fucking cars everywhere, man. Never stops. I wish there was just a place near me here that was just empty, underground, and flat and smooth where nobody goes. It just puts me off, you know what I mean? 'Cause I'm not good enough yet, you know. If I could just rock and pop kickflips come to me and shit, it's fine, but you know what I mean? I'm not eating shit over my bag in front of some old people. Not that it matters too much. You know what I mean? It should be easy. We'll be with you in a minute, it's just fucking people knocking about right next to me, you know what I mean? I need to get this, man, because that fool's die. I wish I had the fucking thing recording me, following. Yeah, when I fell over then, my beanie hat fell off and everything. That was hilarious, you know what I mean? That's the thing that I don't do when the people hit the full hat come off, we just like that. Fucking funny, right? But fucking hat flew off and everything. Close over it, man. It's gotta be. It's only as high as I need to go. I'm already higher than that, man. Come on. Well, my feet weren't in good position at all. Didn't feel like I was going fast enough, and it's just slippy, man. Board's feeling fucking slippy. That keeps happening, man. My foot keeps slipping off it. I end up ripping my fucking bollocks open at this point. I'm skating in the wet, man. Honestly, new board, new grip. Does it just... I could do this on my hand, it won't even get half the fucking bit of skin off. It's terrible, man. Fuck it, though, let's go. Come on. No, it is though. Wood shot off, man, it was over there. I need more speed, man. I need to commit to the run up. Because I can't just do it slow, because I'm ollie, but I'm just landing basically flat and over falling forward. Come on, boy. Fast. Just pop, float, land. I don't feel like I'm lifting my knees as well. But I am, because I'm ollieing, you know what I mean? See, that's what I need. That's still shit though, because I wasn't counteracting for the speed and nearly went fucking flying. Boys. Best way to ollie something is to just keep trying to ollie it, innit, I suppose. Speed carries, let's go. I landed on it. I landed on it. Can't take that though. You know what I mean? Fuck. Hey, these are some heavy landings, you know. It's because I'm not popping, man. I don't feel like the ball's floating under my feet with me. I feel like it's just going up there and I'm jumping and just landing down. I need to pop harder and jump faster, don't I? Oh, it's a lot, man, when you're ollieing something, I swear. People don't tell you how hard it is to ollie something. Like a stick, yeah, but a whole bag. Sketchy, man. I'm so glad I hit that bag then. Fuck. Yo, this is getting dangerous at this point. It's getting fucking dangerous at this point. It's just high, man. I don't know if I can. I should be able to. Like I say, it's wet. Fuck it. We've got to keep going, haven't we? It's just big, man, and I've got to get enough speed and pop hard enough and not die when I land. Right. Let's go, champ. Fuck. If I'm popping too early to it, like, it just throws me, man, because when I come up to it, I don't know where to pop from, because I don't want to pop like too far here, but then I'm like, it gives it more chance to come up and over, innit? You know what, I'm going to pop later. I mean earlier. So I feel like I'm just getting too close to it, man. Doing it a bit later, I mean earlier. Oh, getting hot as well now. Okay. Let's get this shit. Pop later. You know what though? And bearings are spinning, you're red. Fuck. Mate. Well, yeah, I think popping a bit earlier is better. I definitely think that. See, when I go next to it, that just felt nice. Look, I reckon I would have got over that. Just forget there's a bag there. Man, if I lived in America and had a bowl around the corner for me, like a proper concrete skate park, I'd be sick by now. So I'd have been there every day, all day. You know what I mean? Not this fucking bollocks, man. Car parks, fucking people just staring at you. You alright, mate? You know what I mean? I just get fucking pissed off, man. Just want to skate, man, and the ground's shit. It's not to mow, man. I want to be fucking buzzing, you know what I mean? Fuck it, let's get this. As well. We're gonna walk through the water. Oh, it's fucking dripping now. Look at the state of that. Feet are so, fuck's sake. Fuck the UK, man. I swear to God, I fucking hate this place. I love it as well, you know what I mean? I'm proud to be fucking British, but make us some fucking skate parks, boys. Because this is dog shit. The skating are fucking wet. Oh. I need 1 million subs, boys. I need 1 million subs. I need that fucking Bam Margera money. Because I'd literally build a fucking farm with the biggest fucking skate park in the UK on it. Everyone can just come skate for free. And fucking covered. You know what I mean? And fucking camp there. Skaters fucking refuge. You know what I mean? Bang it right in the middle of the UK as well, so everyone can get there equally. I would do it, by the way, so not trying to beg for subs and all that, but that's the type of shit that I do, man. That's how my mind works. What else would I fucking do? You know what I mean? Walk around like fucking neon and that. Oh, look at me, I'm with fucking Iggy Azalea. Who gives a fuck? You know what I mean? Let's build some shit for the boys. Fuck. Come on, let's get this shit. I'm done at this point, boys. We're fucking just getting wetter and wetter. This is gonna get harder and harder. I don't like leaving things not done, as you've obviously probably seen. Mate, I landed on that so rough as well. Fuck. Some people would take that, but I won't take that. Come on, boys. You know me. Ain't taking that. Fuck, that didn't sound good. Man, I'm gonna need my bag at this point. Fucking hell. Right. So boys, this is for you. If I rip my bag, is what it is, innit? Is what it is. It's all going. Can you hear it? I'm skating back I'm skating back. Boys, I'm... Boys, I've done it. Oh. I wish it was following. Fuck. You could hear it, man. I was still going, It was sketchy land, but I was like this. Ah. Fuck. Right, well. My bag don't need to break now, does it? Fuck. You know what? I might switch out the trainers because these ones aren't wet anymore, they've dried and these ones are wet. Just to give it one go. There's some like 180s or something. Oh, see if a dry trainer helps, that's what these are like, innit? Man. I feel like I can skate in these, you know. I like 110s, they're comfortable on my feet. They're very flat. I'm flat footed, by the way. So sometimes I have to wear like an insole in my shoe to just give me a bit of an arch, but they're so flat. It's wicked feeling on the board, but I like the chunkiness of these, man. Let's just get an ollie, let's have a look. Day one, my day one videos of these. My old bangabouts. See, I like them, I do, you know. Look, I feel like I could skate in these. Let's try 180. See already? I don't know if it's because they're a bit drier, but I don't know. I feel like they grip the board nice. Because when skate trainers get wet, they're like ice on the board. These are a bit damp, but like I feel stuck to the board. I don't know. Try a roll and kickflip. Mate, what was that? The motion was, I didn't pop though. See, even put my feet down to stop, man, they grip better. See, I mean, landing. Mate, 110, maybe I've seen a chunkier skate shoe. The Ishod ones are quite flat, man. You know what as well? I don't think I'm rolling that well. Oh, this is just spinning, like. I don't know, it feels a bit slower. See this floor as well. Fucking boil, man. So I was not needing into a revert thing. It's a basically landed one. My wheels just, they feel like they're gliding smooth. Wrecked the clouds as well, you know. Yeah. Get a few rolling kick flips just for the crack. Things you've got to do in the UK is change up your skate shoes mid-sesh. Slippy, you know what, boys? I have to call it that because I can't skate in this wet, man. The board's wet, it's just slipping everywhere. The grip tape's basically multicoloured fucking camo at this point. Sound that, boys? Let's get that 1,000,000 subs so we can get a fucking a castle in the middle of the UK. The skaters' fucking refuge.